The puppies
have escaped
the pool.
We came home to puppies everywhere. Puppies everywhere. Aren't you adorable? Yes, you are. Mr. Whitey. Huh? Come here, Junior. Come here, Junior. Yeah. Ooh,
And Marley cannot escape the puppies anymore. They're like, we got you, Mama. We will chase you down and hunt you down outside of the pool.
How long were you guys out for today? Huh? How long were you guys out? How long did you guys travel for? Huh? How long, Miss Mars? You guys been chasing them around?
Rebel, move.
Huh? Have you been chasing them around? Yeah. Have you been chasing them around? Oh, Rebels. Rebels, were you excited? Oh, puppies everywhere, Mama. There were puppies everywhere. They were running all around and talking a lot and doing their puppy stuff. Yes. Yeah. These Mars, all your puppies are out and about. Yes, they are. They're all out and about, and you're kicking them off already. Yeah. Yeah. They are. They're all out and about. Look at them running around. Oh, got one down. One down. Keep it up, man. That's a little bit. That's a little bit. There's a big old wire. What did I sell? Oh, look at them. They're all playing with Daddy. They're all playing with Daddy. Yeah. Big dot. Big dot. Marley's like, dang it. They can get everywhere now.
Mama. Come here, girl. Come here, Mama.
Oh, Rebel, you get Big Blue.
You getting them, Red?
Getting Rebel, or getting Big Blue. Look at all your little puppies over there. They're all running around all crazy. They're crazy. Yeah. Yeah, they're everywhere.
Get them, Red.
Hey, Duchess.
You get them. Toughen them up.
Hey, Duchess.
Rebel.
Hey, Pooh Bears. Huh? Who's coming in? Who's getting Mama? Who's getting Mama number 2? Oh, yeah, we got puppy pile going on. Yep, we got Red Junior in. Oh, Rebel Junior, you went in? You went in? What are you about, you Rocco? Huh? You coming in too? Oh, little puppy.
The puppies have officially escaped the pool. Damn it.